The two worlds were forced out of phase by Yggdrasil. They should have drifted apart from each other and have been consumed by the void.
I can't stand it. I can't wait for Celeste to become the Chosen instead.
You're lying. I still trust you, you hear me? You're the one that told me I could trust you!
What are you, stupid?
Wait, so the mana link served as a cage to contain the Great Seed in the space between the two worlds? Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
If that's the way it's going to be, then you'll just have to die.
You hate being the Chosen so much that you would betray your friends.
Oh yeah, I do. It's because of that title that my life has been a total joke.
Alright, we'll leave it to you then. Don't let us down. Release Origin's seal. Otherwise, Lloyd will die right here.
So, this is how it ends.
Why, Zelos? You were our friend!
It is finally time, dearest sister. This body has the closest match to your mana signature. I failed many times in the past, but this time I swear I'll make it work.
I vow to germinate the Great Seed in order to realize the true regeneration of both worlds.
Thou art powerful. We accept thy vow. Our power is thine.
I never did get you to trust me, though. That was... Don't feel bad about it. I mean, I did deceive you, after all.
Seal! How the hell did you find out?